Hey guys, welcome back to another little video of Tools and Build. Today's video is about a little display that I'm doing for my Hot Wheels. For the past year and a half I've been collecting some Hot Wheels, and I have about close to about 150 to 200 Hot Wheels, and they're all cramped in boxes, and I don't think they should be in boxes. I think they should be in display. My display is very easy, doesn't cost much, and I started doing my display, and I'm going to show you step by step of what I did, and then eventually at the end I'll show the final result. And the materials you need is a plywood for a stand, some 1x6 plank wood, and 2x1 1/4, 1x1/4 square tubes, and some wheels if you want the display to move around, and also some little like I said, wheels. These are the wheels, they turn around. This is my stand, and I'm going to explain why this is the way it is. Some glue. These are cheap and very good. And the glue is to glue this right here to the wood. As you can see, these are 5" by 3/4. This is the 1x1 or 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. These planks are screwed to this to make a triangle, and these little aluminum plates, you can find them anywhere, and these hold those decorative 4x8 cardboard that you put in the bathroom, in the sink, the kitchen. They look decorative 4x8 boards. That's where I got it, and we're glued on. So at the end, as you can see here, this is one of the finished product. It's taped because I'm gonna tape. It's taped up because I'm gonna paint the rest a different color. So when it's completely finished, you could be able to put the Hot Wheels, and slide them like this. As you can see. Now the reason I did this is because it's going to be 8 feet tall, the square column, and the base is about 16 by 16. With that big base, it could tip over just by touching it, or just by moving the wrong way. I decided to put these little columns right here, spaced. See, it's in the middle, and this is going to be inserted in here, and this is going to be the counterweight. It's pretty heavy right now. Hopefully that this is going to help balance it of their gravity. Hopefully it works, and then this can be flush to this part right here. It's going to be flush to the wood, and it's going to be screwed on. And that's it. So far this is it. I'm gluing the last piece, and it takes about 4 hours to dry. And tomorrow I'm going to paint it. Hopefully by the end of the week this piece will be painted. I'll show you that, and then I'll show you how it's finished with all the Hot Wheels. Alright guys, today is day 2 from my little Hot Wheel pull, and as you can see, I painted it yesterday. There we go. It's blue. The ribbon stays white. This is the stand. Now this piece right here, it's gonna go in here, and that should hold the scale. Hold that right now. A little closer. There you go. Oh, it's gonna go on the other side.
Sure.
Needs a hug?
That's a huge bitch.
That's going in the bedroom.
It's gonna go in with a little few taps. Maybe if I can make it stand up. It's gonna go in. And here we go. It's right in. Now just have to screw it in. Now I call my lovely wife, and here it is. Now I'm gonna put on the wheels. These are the wheels I'm gonna put here. They're 1.25 inches. That with bearings that turn side to side. That's gonna help me move that column from my garage place to place. To install them, let's get a measuring tape. It's gonna be inch 2. Alright, as you can see now, all 4 wheels are on. Now we're gonna put it on the floor, see if it rolls okay. That should be it. And yes, there you go. It's rolling, and I think the scale inside really helped. So the wood that I put in the middle of this column on the stand really helped stabilizing it. You see it? Trying to, like, we really gotta knock it out, but no. People come, try to touch it. That's it. And once I get all my Hot Wheels, in order, they're going to go up here and slide it all the way down until it reaches here, like so. Like so. So let me try one. So now you can see how I mean. See, it's gonna go the way it is right now. You see, it gets in between, and it's gonna go all the way. All the way down, and nobody can move it out. The only bad thing about it is, if you want to see one, you gotta take everything out to see one, but they're not meant to take it out of the package or to play around. In either way, these Hot Wheels won't leave my garage, my house. So that's it. I'll give you eight-foot tall square tube Hot Wheel column. When this is completely finished, when all my Hot Wheels, because I have about 150, 200 Hot Wheels, once all those are placed in the column, I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna put on my Instagram. My Instagram is Tools and Built. Check me out, follow me. That's it. So if you like this video, which took a bit too long, please like, subscribe. If you have any questions or any other ideas that I could use besides this, let me know. Thanks. Have a good one.